Have you ever opened your pantry and felt like you just walked into a black hole of chaos and confusion? Today, we're going to fix that, once and for all, with a system that truly works. We're transforming this space, not just by tidying, but by making it a place that supports your daily life and brings a smile to your face every single time you open the door. Welcome to Pantry Perfection, your new favorite organization series. We'll cover declutter and clean, categorize and group, invest in storage solutions, maximize every inch of your available space, and maintain like a pro. Let's get started on this transformation. Our first step is to take everything out of your pantry. Don't leave a single box, can, or jar behind. This might feel overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's the only way to truly see what you have and start fresh. Lay it all out on a table or counter so you can see what you have. Spreading everything out gives you a clear visual inventory, and you might be surprised by what you find hiding in the back corners. Forgotten snacks, duplicate spices, or that can of beans you bought months ago and never used. As you handle each item, ask yourself, will I actually use this? Does it nourish me or my family? Is it something I reach for regularly? Or has it been sitting untouched for ages? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Be honest with yourself. This is your chance to make space for foods you truly love and use. Check expiration dates carefully. Anything expired or stale? Thank it for its service and toss it without guilt. This is also a great time to look for items that are close to expiring and make a plan to use them soon, so nothing goes to waste. Create 3 piles: keep, discard, and donate. The keep pile is for items you love and use often. The discard pile is for anything expired, stale, or damaged. The donate pile is for unopened, unexpired items you know you won't use. These can go to a local food bank or shelter, helping others while you clear your space. Remember, this isn't about waste, it's about making space for what truly serves you and your household. By letting go of what you don't need, you're creating room for foods that support your health and happiness. Once your shelves are empty, give them a thorough clean. Wipe away crumbs, spills, and dust that may have collected over time. This is your opportunity to start with a truly clean slate. Wipe down every surface, making it fresh and welcoming for your food. Pay special attention to corners and crevices. This is a detail that makes a big difference in how your pantry feels. Think of this as a reset, a blank canvas for your new An empty, clean pantry is full of possibility and potential. The act of clearing out and cleaning is powerful. This is a moment to reflect on your habits and set new intentions for how you want your kitchen to function. Embrace the lightness that comes with letting go. Notice how much lighter and more open your space feels, and how that sense of clarity can ripple into other areas of your home and life. Look at your open space. Doesn't it feel invigorating? This is your invitation to fill it with intention and care. This is the most significant step toward pantry perfection. Without this foundation, no amount of organizing will truly work. Give yourself a moment to appreciate your newly cleared space. Take pride in the effort you've put in, and the transformation you've created. Remember, the goal is to be surrounded only by things that spark joy. Every item you keep should earn its place in your pantry. By clearing out what no longer serves you, you make room for what does. This is about creating a space that supports your goals, your health, and your lifestyle. You create an environment that supports your well-being and makes meal prep easier. A tidy pantry means less stress, less waste, and more inspiration when it's time to cook. This fresh start is energizing. Take a deep breath and admire your clean, empty pantry. Let yourself feel proud of the progress you've made. You've done the hardest part, saying goodbye to what no longer serves you. That's a huge step toward a more organized, joyful kitchen. With a clean slate, it's time to categorize and group your pantry items. This is where the real transformation begins. By giving every item a sense of belonging, you're setting the stage for a pantry that feels joyful and easy to use every single day. Each group has its own personality and purpose, and by bringing similar items together, you'll instantly see what you have and what you might need. Group items in a way that makes sense for how you cook and live. Place each group together on your counter and notice if you rediscover forgotten favorites. This is your chance to get inspired by what you already have, and maybe even plan a meal around those hidden gems. Assign each category a specific area or shelf in your pantry so every item has a home and nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Visual organization is powerful. When you need flour, you'll know exactly where to look. Treat your pantry like a boutique, each section thoughtfully curated, inviting you to use what you have. Use clear containers, labels, or baskets to define each zone and make it easy to spot what's running low. The more visually appealing your pantry, the more likely you are to keep it organized. If you have kids, make a low shelf their snack zone so they can help themselves. If you entertain, create a hosting zone with party supplies and easy-to-grab treats. Arrange items so they're visible and easy to reach. No more digging through crowded shelves. Don't cram. Let each item breathe, giving your pantry a sense of calm and order. Consider adding special zones for your unique needs. Maybe a quick meals bin for busy nights, or a section just for spices and condiments. The more your pantry reflects your lifestyle, the more useful and joyful it becomes. Adjust your categories and zones as you go. This is an organic process, and it's okay to tweak things as your needs change. The goal is a system that feels right and brings calm and efficiency to your daily routine. Remember, your pantry should evolve with you. Step back and admire your organized groups. Doesn't it feel more manageable already? Now, let's invest in storage solutions that keep your pantry not just tidy but truly joyful. A place that makes you smile every time you open the door. The right storage can turn even the most chaotic shelves into a haven of calm and efficiency. Clear containers are a game changer. Decant pasta, rice, and snacks, so you can see everything at a glance. No more mystery bags or half-open boxes. You'll always know what you have and when it's time to restock. Uniform containers create a calm, cohesive look, making your pantry feel instantly more organized. Label each container, handwritten or printed, whatever sparks joy for you. Labels not only help everyone in your household find what they need, but they also add a personal, creative touch to your pantry. Baskets and bins are perfect for corralling small or loose items. Think snacks, baking extracts, or root veggies. They keep things from getting lost in the shuffle and make it easy to grab what you need in a hurry. Choose baskets that match your pantry's vibe, woven for warmth, wire for modern. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures and materials to create a look that feels uniquely yours. Don't forget the back of the pantry door. Over-the-door organizers are great for spices, packets, or cleaning supplies. This often overlooked space can add a surprising amount of extra storage, helping you make the most of every inch. When choosing storage, prioritize function. Do containers seal well to keep food fresh? Are baskets easy to pull out even when full? Test them out before committing, and remember that accessibility is just as important as appearance. Use tiered shelves for cans so nothing gets hidden in the back, and bins for bagged snacks to keep them upright and easy to grab. These small upgrades can make a big difference in your daily routine. Make sure everything is easy to clean. Removable liners, washable bins, and wipeable surfaces will help you keep your pantry fresh and inviting with minimal effort. Your storage should support your categories and zones, not add clutter. Each item should have a clear home, making it simple to maintain order and find what you need, even on the busiest days. As you place items into their new homes, watch your pantry transform before your eyes. The process can be surprisingly satisfying, and you'll feel a sense of accomplishment with every shelf you complete. Each item, now lovingly housed, adds to the sense of calm and order. You'll find yourself wanting to keep things tidy, simply because it feels so good to look at and use. This is the joy of a functional, beautiful space that works for you and your family. It's not just about looks, it's about creating a system that makes your life easier and more enjoyable every day. Ready to unlock your pantry's full potential? Let's maximize every inch and turn your pantry into a space you truly love. Now let's make every inch of your pantry work for you. Use shelf risers or tiered shelves to double your space and make everything visible. Add undershelf baskets for small items like tea bags or snacks. Stackable bins help you use vertical space. Think upwards. Tension rods can create dividers for cutting boards or baking sheets, or even mini shelves for spices. Lazy Susans are perfect for corners. Spin to see everything, no more lost jars. Store frequently used items at eye level, and bulk or rarely used items higher or lower. Use floor space for heavy or bulky items, but keep it tidy with bins or rolling carts. Deep shelves? Try pull-out drawers or baskets so nothing gets lost in the back. Look for small nooks. Slim containers or rods can hold wraps or foils. The goal isn't to cram more in, but to make what you have visible and accessible. Step back and check. Does it feel open, functional, and calm? You're creating a pantry that feels generous and supportive, no matter its size. With these space-maximizing tricks, your pantry is now truly optimized.